Good morning. Today is April 11th, 2018, and today's refinishing project is located in Stockton, California. Let's take a look at what we got going today. Okay, so in the bathroom we have this old cast iron bathtub that we're going to be refinishing today. It's just really worn and stained. So we're going to fully refinish this and recaulk it. Now let's look at the sink. We're going to be doing the sink here. It's an old cast iron sink. Let's swing around here in the kitchen. We have this old single kitchen cast iron sink here, and we're going to be refinishing this too. So this project will definitely take a full day to get them all completed. So we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the job is complete. Let's take a look. Cast iron tub. Sink. Repair the rust on the drain area and the overflow as well. Now let's take a look at the kitchen sink. There you go. So if you're interested in any of our services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.